Number one, the first certification from ISACA that we have is certified. Number two is certified information security manager. Number three is certified in the governance is not appearing in any of the four. So the one you are saying you obtained it from a cyber cafe. Because you are insisting on it. So let's go to your report. Said Juma, EC. Your report, cyber investigation report, at the farthest, at the top end on your right, the right side, the date is 11th June. Sorry, before I come to that. Now, the certification for ISACA are those four. You said that you are certified in the year 2024.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the exact date?
If I can remember, it was on June 15th. If not, we normally send the request after doing some examination.
Very good, just up to there.
Yeah.
June 15th.
Yeah, around
so this report that you wrote it while you were not qualified, because the report was written on the date of on June 11th, right? And so you wrote a report and then you were certified later on. Okay? So you were not qualified as at that time, my brother. Then go to that report. So your report is saying at the farthest corner, here, read the date.
11/06/2024.
Very good. Then read the introduction.
On 11th June 2023.
Very good. Just at that particular point.
Yeah.
On 11th June 2023.
Yeah.
Continue reading.
The national case at CC was requested to provide information by letter reference DCI/IB/SCU/1/1/20A/volume decimal V11/22/21 on the below TikTok and YouTube account alleged to be involved in a case of publication of false information contrary to Section 23 and cyber harassment contrary to Section 27.
Thank you. Up to that point. So this report was printed on the 11th day of June 2024, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then you were given a letter on the 11th day of June 2023. So you must have been a prophet to know that the accused person was going to commit an offense 1 year later, 1 year earlier, before. What can you say about that?
What I can say about why?
Thank you. So you are giving us a report that has errors. So you admit that this report has errors.
Year only, in the year only. That's why here, on top of it, you have explained for me to read. I've read it on 11/06/2024. When I was typing,
just leave it at that. Just leave it at that. As an expert, you must have gone through your report, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you must have known the difference between 2023 and 2024. And even you wrote this in capital. The numbers are in capital. Clearly. The month is in small letters. That your report has errors. Yes or no?
No.
Thank you. But you admit that it was printed in 2024, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the letter that was given The letter,
24.
as at this report.
A typo which is done on the day.
Okay, just leave it at that. I don't want you to be arrogant. Okay? Are you in any of the three? Yes or no? Okay, let's proceed. So, you describe yourself as a digital. You agree that digital forensics are bright. So, evidence, what we have, because otherwise any other person, you know the governor of Nairobi at least because you live in Nairobi, right? He got his certification from Teams University, right? Are you following that trajectory?
I'll bring my certificates tomorrow.
Anyway, in a court of law, we needed that to be presented. So as at now, you are not certified. As at now, if those documents are not before a court of law, okay? So, as at now, you are not certified by the International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners.
I am.
I'm coming to the celebrate. Okay. So this one specifically, International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners.
I am not.
You are not.
Yeah.
Then now the one that you're saying, you do not hold any certification from Celebrat or any other recognized forensic tool developer, do you?
I have.
You have. You
So I was not prepared to come.
You slept in China?
No, I came with all my things are in my job.
What time did you arrive?
It was around late in the evening.
Yesterday evening?
Yeah.
So you slept at work?
No, I slept at Shanghai, so I could not go to work.
You couldn't?
All my things are at work.
All your documents?
Including my laptop.
Home is unsafe?
Yeah, it is unsafe.
Okay. Let's proceed. You have never undergone training, and I want you to get this well, undergone training with the National Institute of Standards and Technology, correct?
Where is it found? I haven't seen one in Kenya.
I've asked you that, huh?
No.
Good. You have never been by the International Digital Forensic Laboratory has never been accredited. You have that?
It is. Unless you want it, I'll bring it to you.
Competence. As at now, because you've not presented anything before court, correct?
Correct.
Yes or no? In the scope of expertise.
You are not limited.
You studied criminology.
Yeah.
Is there a unit called criminal law in criminology? I want us now to...
We're not dealing with
No,
criminology here.
this is your area of expertise.
No, I'm dealing with analysis.
But you started up that you studied criminology.
Exactly.
So is there a unit called criminal law?
Yes, of course.
Good. Yet you said that you have no knowledge of when you are being asked questions by my senior.
I'll explain that.
Just, I don't want you to explain.
Time.
Explanations are where you write statements or any other place. Now let's proceed. As I finish, Juma,
Yes, Your Honor.
you cannot prove that they are you cannot prove that the accused had access to the alleged YouTube account.
I can't.
Very good. You cannot prove that the accused used the SIM card at the material time. Very good. You cannot prove that the is authentic and unaltered, correct?
I can somehow, not fully.
The device for the accused person was not tampered with before reaching your desk.
There was no device that was brought before me.
Very good. You cannot prove that any data in your report. Good, because your report is also showing that. It comes from River
I'm
News.
only doing to
And without these proofs, you've said you can't. Without these proofs, your report cannot withstand scientific scrutiny, can it?
the court will decide.
Very good. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Remember the 3 rules.